Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to fade a video to black, or just how to fade the ending of your videos to a black background so each one of the videos has that usual smooth ending to it. Also, if you want to open a new CapCut account and support the channel at the same time, you can do that by using my affiliate link in the description. By doing so, if you ever decide to upgrade to a pro version, I will get a small kickback. Alright, let's get started. So first, get your material on the timeline. Now, in other video editors, this fade out effect is usually found in Transitions tab or in the Effects tab, but that's not the case in CapCut. So to find this effect, you need to mark your video so it has this white outline. Then in this menu right here, go to Animation. Here you can find a fade in effect, but we need the opposite. We need to fade it out at the end of the video. So here you will go to the Out tab right here. And if you look at the right hand side here, you can see a fade out effect. So you just need to click on the effect and it will be applied at the end of the video. But here it's just half a second. So to extend the duration of it, you just need to move this slider a bit left. So let's say 4.2 seconds. Now if I play the video, you can see that it fades out a bit more slowly. And that's how you add a fade out to black effect in CapCut. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.